Hello everyone. In this video, let's explore the team section in Zoho People, the place where your teams collaborate, stay informed, and manage projects efficiently. Inside Team Space, you'll first see the department overview, including team strength, availability, and location diversity. This gives you a quick snapshot of how your department is spread across roles and location. The department wall functions like an internal communication board where team members can post updates, announcements, or discussions for everyone within the department. The Groups tab displays all department level groups created for focused discussions, initiatives, or collaboration on specific topics. Next up, we have the Surveys tab. In the Surveys tab, you'll find feedback surveys specifically for your department, helping managers collect insights or run internal assessments. On the right-hand side, Zoho People shows department-relevant alerts such as work anniversaries, new hires, birthdays, department fires, and courses assigned to your department. These widgets help teams stay updated and engaged socially and operationally. Next up, the Department tab shows a structured list of all departments and teams within your organization. You can filter department and location and view members under each role, along with the current status, such as whether they are checked in or checked out. Next up, the projects section shows all Zoho projects integrated into Zoho People. At the top left, you'll see a project summary card with the project status, assigned project head, number of users, and cost. This helps teams quickly understand project ownership and progress. Next up, we have Feeds. The Feeds tab acts like a project-specific activity stream. Team members can post updates, mention colleagues, and discuss progress. Next up, under the Project Performance tab, Zoho People displays visual insights that include estimated versus logged hours, billable versus non-billable hours, job status breakdowns, top contributors, and overdue tasks. These analytics make it easier to evaluate team efficiency and project health. Next, we have the Jobs tab. The Jobs tab lists all the tasks within the project, with details like start and end dates, estimated hours, logged hours, status, and assigned users. This acts as operational core of the project. Next up, we have Users. The Users tab shows all the project participants. Managers can assign roles, set hourly rates, or add more team members as and when needed. Next, we have the Attachments. And the Attachment tab stores all documents, files, and resources linked to the project, enabling centralized access for the entire team. Let's go to the final section, which is the Approvals section. In Approvals tab, managers can review all pending requests submitted by team members. These may include leave requests, timesheets, attendance corrections, job updates, or HR workflows. Filtering options help you quickly sort through large volumes of approvals. Lastly, the team section in Zoho People brings communication, collaboration, performance insights together, thereby helping teams stay aligned, managers stay informed, and projects stay on track. This is your complete tour of the team section in Zoho People. Stay tuned for more module-wise walkthroughs. Thank you so much for watching this video.